Mom, can I ask you something?
Of course, Leo.
At school, they said something.
What did they say?
They said I'm garbage.
Who said that to you?
Everyone laughs when I talk.
You are not garbage.
Then why does it feel like I am?
Shh, it's okay. You're safe with me.
I know, but I'm still scared.
Because someone made you believe a lie. Today, we're going to fix this.
Okay, Mom.
What if they laugh again? Then they'll hear the truth.
That's it.
Hey, garbage boy.
What do you want?
Crocat,
Just reminding you of your place.
leave him alone!
Or what?
Mom.
Say that again.
I said I don't want to go.
We were just joking. It wasn't funny. I'm sorry, we won't do it again.
Okay, but you have to mean it.
I promise.
Words can break someone or build them. You are kind, you are brave, you are important.
I'm not garbage.
Sorry.
Mom, I feel better.
That's because you remembered who you are.